Africa is changing. They say we can't do it. We say we can. Africa is a strong continent, but it yearns to be connected. We're told that Africa will never have a social network. We're told we can't engage together as friends in a central social space. Now, this supposed impossibility has become a reality. Ebwana is here and ready to become Africa's first real social network. It's a unique opportunity for Africa to claim its voice and to show the world that we are a land of talent, not just the front cover of the National Geographic magazine. Everyone says it's impossible, but we're more determined than people give us credit for. Social connection is a basic human instinct, and it's exactly what we've been waiting for. Now, with Ebwana, it is possible. It's not just about proving a point, it's about making a difference. It's about time Africa showed the world that together, when connected, we can unite to become a stronger continent, a place of prosperity, no longer reliant on the aid of others. Africa has so much talent to share. With social media, Africa can finally claim its independence without the need for government action. Conversation and sharing is what we love. Ebwana facilitates connection. It brings people together with those they care about. It's a place where friends can come together. It's Africa's first central hub for interpersonal engagement. But without you, it won't work. You are the driver for change. Our goal is ambitious. We want 100 million sign-ups in 365 days. And we need your help to get there. You have the voice and capabilities to make it happen. Are you ready to be part of real change? Africa is the future, the 21st century's next big thing. Upload music from your country, share your culture, and help to bring Africa together. Sign up, share Ebwana with friends. Ebwana is ready for you. Are you ready for Ebwana?